and the amazing alphabet adventure. Boop, the lovable and curious character, was on an exciting quest to explore the magical world of the alphabet. Each letter of the alphabet had its own special place in the magical land, and Boop was determined to discover all the wonders they held. 1. The Alphabet Garden. In the alphabet garden, each flower represented a different letter of the alphabet. As Boop wandered through the garden, he saw that the flowers were blooming in the shape of letters, and their colors changed depending on the letter. For example, the A flowers were bright red, the B flowers were blue, and so on. Activity for listeners: Alphabet Flower Hunt. Listeners can imagine they are in the alphabet garden with Boop. Ask them to find their favorite letter of the alphabet and describe what color and shape the flower would be. They can draw or write down their favorite letter flower and share it with the group or family. 2. The Letter Lake. Boop then arrived at the letter lake, where each section of the lake was named after a different letter. The water in each section shimmered with the letter's unique hue. Boop noticed that he could make different shapes and forms in the water by interacting with the letters. Activity for listeners: Letter Lake Shapes. Listeners can imagine they are at the letter lake with Boop. Ask them to think about how they might create shapes or objects using their favorite letter. For example, if their letter is S, they might create a snake shape or a spiral. They can then describe or draw their letter shape and discuss what it looks like and what it could be used for. The Alphabet Adventure Maze. Boop's final stop was the Alphabet Adventure Maze, a giant maze where each pathway was marked with different letters. To find the way out, Boop had to choose the correct letters in a specific sequence that spelled out the word exit. Activity for listeners: Maze Letter Challenge. Listeners can join Boop in solving the maze by creating their own letter maze. Provide them with a grid of letters and challenge them to spell out a word using the letters they find in the maze. They can create their own mazes on paper and exchange them with friends or family to solve. For a fun twist, you could also have them spell out their name or a favorite word. Boop's reflection. After exploring the alphabet garden, letter lake, and the alphabet adventure maze, Boop realized how much fun learning the alphabet could be. Each letter was unique and exciting, and the adventures they led to were full of imagination and discovery. Boop said with a smile, "The alphabet is amazing. Each letter has its own special magic and can lead us to wonderful adventures. I can't wait to explore more letters and find out what other amazing things they can do." Listeners could then share their activities with others, reflecting on what they learned and discovered about the alphabet. The adventure with Boop showed them that learning letters can be both fun and magical.